So today is the day before Easter and we are going to
make mosaic Easter eggs coloring.
we will paint our eggs probably hopefully in a mosaic way.
Yeah,
With
because
the-
we've seen some videos, right?
Yes, we've seen some videos. For that we bought purple or
The
red
most rarest
cabbage. Yes, we are going to chop it in pieces and cook for 30 to 40 minutes. And meanwhile, my Pokemon trainer will will prepare mosaic pieces for our Easter eggs. Give a little bit of explanation.
Okay, my explanation is that these purple onions, the skin I'm peeling and putting it in this thing, and when I put this top on top of it and I do like this, there will come some knives and it will spin around like...
Yeah, because inside they are nice, yeah, and you have to be very careful when you are putting this inside because the knives are very sharp, yeah? Okay. No.
Mom, for some reason I can't do this anymore.
Okay, so follow up. We have this beautiful mosaic to be eggs. We are going to put them in a cabbage water. Cabbage is still cooking. It has to be cooking for another like 10-15-ish minutes. And we also have these 2 little eggs. We are just going to put them without any decoration. It will be anyway nice. So now the cabbage is boiling on a low heat for 30 to 40 minutes. And I'm going to put 1 spoon of baking soda. Oh my god! Actually, it's becoming green.
OMG.
Okay, it's fine. Oh my god, it's green. Greenish. Let's
Hey,
do
but
it.
Mama,
I don't know.
if you mix green and red, that will become blue. Because now we can see already.
Now I feel like like the witch in the cartoons when they are cooking something in the big pot and the inside is green. So now I have like green. Now we know how.
Blood is green.
Now we know how they get that color. So cabbage and 1 spoon of baking soda. Well, it's hot. I didn't expect this color, but if it will be green, I'm also fine because we like green also, yeah?
Yeah. Because green is the nature color.
Green is a nature color.
Mom, if you look very well,
Yeah, come,
you'll
come,
see
check.
some blue.
Look.
Oh my god, it's so green. It really is so green.
Yeah. Pokemon trainer will show now the mosaic eggs in the female socks. So
Female.
here is visible that I still have that print on the egg. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Yes, here we go. Okay, so now we have the eggs after how many hours? Like after the whole day.
4 or 5.
Yeah. Yeah.
4 or 5, 6.
5 hours at least they were in this stew broth.
Okay, what do I need to do? I need to take this. And then the mosaic will stay.
So. Okay.
Yeah, I got mosaic. It took us a whole day to make this nice beauty. It took us a whole day to make those beauties.
Yeah, this is amazing. Hold on.
Look. Am I the last one?
Okay, I don't know if they can be the full food, right? Because they have to be the full food, right? For the next step.
What's that stuff?
You want to put a bit of oil on them.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Did you put up today's healthy videos?
I don't know, they have to put it on.
Yes, no. Is it supposed to be like a big beauty? No. Okay. See now.
My nails become like a dirty because of the cabbage. With the cabbage.
Really?
No. Do. Now when they are dry, we have to like make them nice and shiny. Yeah, so each egg we will white with oil like this.
Nice.
Okay, Eric, you want to continue? Okay, no, it's enough.
Did you know you want again?
No, that's just enough.
Yeah, this one is
Turtle egg. So can I say something in the
Yeah.
camera now? We didn't get here like a very extremely green color, but I think extremely green color it's also possible to get because those eggs were white skin eggs. Yeah, I didn't want to put vinegar. If you put vinegar, then it would be more. The egg would get more color, but in the same time the skin would be more breakable. Yeah, breakable. And I don't want the skin to be breakable because of that game what Rokas and Derek want to do. So what they want to do, they want to have egg fight. So that's why I don't want to have like easy breakable skin, egg skin. That's why I didn't want to put vinegar in while cooking the egg. But if you want the egg to be like more colored, more tanned, then you have to put vinegar also while cooking. She sent a message today.